Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to look at arithmetic progression. Usually this question comes in paper 1. So the question reads, an arithmetic progression has a first term A and the common difference D, the third term which is term number 3, and the seventh term which is term number 7 are 8 and 20 respectively. Find A and D. Then question B, find the sum of the first 20 terms. So for us to find the value for A and the value for D, we have to collect data. So we know to say that term number 3 is equal to 8 and term number 7 is equal to 20. So what are we going to do? We know to say that the nth term is given by the value of A, which is the first term, plus open bracket n minus 1, close bracket, and then multiply by the common difference. So we have to use this formula for us to come up with the equations that we are going to use. So as you can see, this is the position of n. So meaning to say the value of n here is 3 if you want to come up with the first equation. So term number 3 is going to be equal to, we don't know the value of A, then the value of n is 3, then the value of D we don't know. Then from there, we know to say that term number 3 is equal to 8. So in the place of what we have here, you can just put 8. And this is going to be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by D, that is 2D. So this is going to be our first equation. For the second equation, we are going to use the second part. So we know to say that the term number 7 is equal to the value of A, which we don't know. The value of n we know is 7 minus 1, then divided by D. Term number 7 is 20. So I can put 20 here. The value of A we don't know. Then 7 minus 1, that is 6. 6 multiplied by D, that is 6D. And this is going to be our second equation. So what we are going to do here for us to find the value of A and the value of B, we have to make, let me say, the value of A and the value of D. We have to make A the subject of the formula or D the subject of the formula. So let me just make A the subject of the formula using the first equation. So if this one goes to the other side, what are we going to have? We're going to have A, which is going to be equal to 8 minus 2D. Alright, so in the second equation, we are going to put 8 minus 2D where we are having A. So we have 20, which is going to be equal to 8, then minus 2D, then plus 6D. So we know to say that when this one goes to the other side, it's going to be minus. So 20 minus 8 is going to give us 12. Alright, then 6D minus 2D, I'm going to get 4D. Then D is going to be equal to 3. So this is the value of D. What about the value of A? The value of A, I'm going to use this one here. Alright, so A is going to be equal to 8 minus 2D, and then the value of D is 3. So meaning to say the value of A is going to be 8 minus 6, which is going to give me 2. So this is the value of A, the first term and the common difference. Answering the last question, where we have to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So we have to know the formula. Sum of the nth term is going to be equal to n divided by 2, then open square bracket 2a plus open bracket n minus 1, then close, multiply by the common difference. So n here is going to be 20 because the question is asking us to find the sum of the 20 terms. So we have 20 here divided by 2, then 2, the value of A here, which is the first term, is 2. So the value of n is 20 minus 1, then the value of D is 3. Alright, so 20 divided by 2, that is 10, then this is going to give us 4, then plus 19 multiplied by 3. Alright, so 19 multiplied by 3. So you know to say that okay, 18 plus 19, what are we? 18 plus 9 what are we going to get here? We're going to get 27, isn't it? Yeah. So let me just do this like that. And just do this. So 19 plus 19, what are we going to get? So this is going to give us 8. Let me say this is going to give us 17. Let me say 18, I mean, yeah, 18. Then remainder 1, then this is going to give us 3, which is going to give us 38. 38 plus 19, what are we going to get? This is going to give us what? 7, then remainder 1, then this is going to give us 4, so 57. Okay, so you can confirm that one. So we're getting 57. So 10 open squared bracket 4 plus 57. So 57 plus 4, what are we going to get? We're going to get 61. So 100 multiplied by 61, we're going to get 610. So this is going to be our final answer. So thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this.